All right, the materials and labor have arrived. Get ready. This is installment 2 of Watch Matt Work. Last year, you remember, Matt cut down a tree and then ran a brush mower. This time, we're going to be rebuilding these benches. They've been outside for a long time, and they pretty much, the only thing left of them that's any good is the metal frame. So, we got the benches here. We got wood. We got hardware. And most of all, we have labor. We got Matt and Jade ready to work this morning. So stay with us and enjoy the trip. So our game plan for this morning is to disassemble everything, get this rotten wood off of these benches and out onto the burn pile. Going to have Jade clean up all the metal, so that's ready to go. This one is going to need a little extra work. It's a little different bench. It's made out of cast metal. This is what they're supposed to look like. This one you can see that the armrest broke off. So rather than, I can't really weld cast metal, what we'll do instead is get a grinder, just cut this off, smooth that edge out, make this one match, and this will just be a bench with no arms. So let's get started. Go! Okay, go!
There, then we'll do the final tightening after that.
All right. Okay, smile and wave. Okay, that's the end of day one. We got 2 of the 3 benches done. These guys put in a good day. Tomorrow we'll tackle the last bench. We'll see you guys tomorrow.
We'll see you tomorrow.
See ya.
Bye.
Okay, we got the 3rd bench done. Hit our goal, getting it done by lunchtime today. I think it looks good. So this concludes the 2nd installment of Watch Matt Work featuring Jade. What do you guys think? Y'all done now?
Good.
Yes, we are, and thanks for watching, and hope to see you guys again in our time soon.
All right. We just got to think about our next project.
Yep.
Yeah.
And if you want to see the 1st installment, it'll be right up here, a little link to that. So if you want to see last year's project, it'll be right there.
Comment below to see what kind of project we should do next.
Yeah.
All right.
Go and think up other ideas what
And
we should do
subscribe
next.
and like.
Subscribe and like.
And press the bell button if you want to see future
and ring the
Toolman
bell.
videos.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Yep.
We'll see you next time.
Yep. Bye.